How to delete artwork on Steam on PC. This tutorial shows you how to remove an image you've previously uploaded, pulled from Steam's actual management page instead of the profile shortcut. First, open Steam on your computer. From there, hover over your profile name at the top menu. After that, click Profile from the dropdown. At this point, once your profile loads, scroll down toward the bottom on the right side. Following this, click Artwork. From here, look toward the middle right of the page. At this stage, click Manage Artwork. Following this, you'll see a full list of everything you've uploaded. From here, hover over the specific artwork you want removed and click it to select it. At this stage, look at the options above the artwork list. Following this, click Delete. A confirmation window will pop up asking if you're sure. From here, double-check you've selected the right item, since this can't easily be undone. At this stage, click Continue. Give it a moment while Steam removes the selected artwork. Once finished, that artwork disappears from your list and profile entirely. That's how you delete artwork on Steam on PC. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.